Today I was thinking to hand in 100 volcano minerals to burners. But first I'm gonna show you how to get volcano minerals. You get volcano minerals by harvesting erupted deposits that sometimes get thrown out of the volcano. And when I'm waiting for the deposits to get thrown out of the volcano, I'm fishing, because that's a good way to spend your time. But you need to have handy in some volcano minerals burners first to get a fish rod that you can fish lava eels in the volcano. And here we see a reap, but the spoils get thrown out of the volcano. And then I take my horse and ride and looking for it where it went. You see it went beside me, but it's like a big area that it can have gone through anyways. And then you see I'm harvesting, and this takes a lot of time, so you could do something else while harvesting it. Here I'm going to check how many volcano minerals I already gave him. And you see I've gave him 185 volcano minerals. That's hand in volcano minerals 35 times. And here I get stuck in lava, but the good thing, I did not die. But that's what you usually do when you fall into lava. Now I have 100 volcano minerals. Now I'm going to burners to hand in them. And hopefully we will get something good. But we never know, because if it's the luck, that's decide what I get. And first I get a lava road that you already know I already have, and like luck. And now I have handed in every 100 volcano minerals, and then I will like check my inventory and see what I've got. And we didn't get any inferno horses, and then I have handed in 285 volcano minerals to burners, and that's many. But this will be all for now. Goodbye, and hopefully we will see you next time. Bye!